In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First things first, you need to access your account. Open up your preferred browser and go to the official ElevenLabs website. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which is usually in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in these details, then hit that login button. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings and more. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the support section. Look for something labeled Talk to AI or Support Call. This is typically found in the Help or Contact menu of the website. It might take a little bit of searching, but don't worry, it's usually straightforward to find. If you scroll down, you might also see helpful links related to account management and frequently asked questions. But for now, we want to focus on getting in touch with customer support. Now, let's connect with customer support. When you find the right support option, choose the interface that allows you to connect directly with a customer support representative. This might be a chat option or even a direct call feature, depending on what ElevenLabs currently offers. If you're given the choice between chat and call, pick the one that makes you feel most comfortable. Once you're connected, it's time to state your refund request. It's important to clearly explain your situation to the agent on the other end. Whether your request stems from a mistaken charge, an account issue, or dissatisfaction with a service, be honest and precise in your explanation. Agents can better assist you when they understand exactly what the problem is. Keep this dialogue polite and straightforward. A friendly tone always goes a long way. As you're explaining your issue, be sure to specify your payout preference. This means letting the support agent know how you'd like to receive your refund. Typically, you'd want the funds credited back to your original payment card, but be ready to provide any necessary account details to facilitate this. The agent may ask for specific information, like the last 4 digits of the card you used, or verification details related to your account. Providing this information promptly will help speed up the process. That's pretty much it. Engaging with customer support can sometimes feel a little daunting, but just remember that they are there to help you. Follow these steps, and you should be well on your way to securing that refund. It's always a good idea to keep records of your communications, just in case you need to reference them later. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to request a refund on ElevenLabs. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and motivates me to create more content